guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Arusak. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video. Today I'm going to do a quick update on the Halo Beauty booster vitamins, and this is a continuation of last week's video. I started taking these vitamins Monday of last week, so today is Tuesday. Hopefully the video should be up tomorrow, Wednesday, but I started taking these vitamins last week, so this is day 9 of me taking the vitamins 2 every day, and I'm going to give you guys a quick little review on what I think about the vitamins and how it's working so far. Of course, it's only been a little bit over a week, so I'm probably not going to see that much progress or that much results, but I am going to share the things that I have noticed since I've been taking this. So first, just before I get into the review, I wanted to just share with you guys, in case you do get this, it's really odd. I did outreach to Halo Beauty customer service and they were super gracious about it. So they did help, I guess, kind of remedy the situation. So I'm not talking bad about them, but I just want to give you guys a warning. For some reason, instead of getting the 60 capsules, I ended up getting 59 and a casing, which is completely empty. I'm not sure how that happened. Customer service said it shouldn't have happened because it should be caught by their machines, but for some reason, manufacturer defect, I ended up with this, so I'm shorted 1 pill. So I will be taking it 29 days and a half. But definitely by the 3rd week, though, if I do notice a difference, I am going to repurchase this. So, yeah, I guess it really doesn't make that much of a difference, but they were kind enough to explain to me how they were surprised about me having that missing pill and having that piece of a capsule in there. But they did refund me the $7.95 shipping that I paid, which is way beyond what that 1 pill would have cost. So thank you, Halo Beauty. I appreciate it. I wasn't really looking for that. I honestly wanted the pill, and I know they can't just send me a pill, but it was more just principle on it, and they were kind enough to refund me a lot more than what 1 pill would have cost. So thank you. I appreciate it. But yeah, so I've been taking it. As you can see, bottle is slowly going down. So let's break it down. Let's go from top to bottom. So I guess hair-wise, I can't really tell if my hair is growing. Of course, it's only been a week. I mean, what do I expect? I'm not noticing anything different in my hair personally. I'll definitely link down below my first video if you want to go and compare and see if you see a difference as well. But I'm not noticing anything different with my hair. Regarding my face, though, that's where I'm noticing a lot more. I do feel like my face is fully hydrated, which is really amazing, and even like, not that it's really oily, but a little bit oily around my nose, which I've never experienced. I mean, I kind of had combo, but it really wasn't oily. It was just certain areas were more dry, I would say. It was more dry, normal. And now I feel like I'm hydrated around my cheeks and my face. Even without moisturizer, I feel hydrated, which is amazing to me. I mean, that's like, wow. And then my nose actually is even a little bit oily, which is crazy. So I don't know, it's definitely nourishing something in my body. And I am very amazed too, because I've had a heck of a week. I haven't slept much over the last week. Probably I averaged maybe about 3-4 hours a night last week during the weekdays, and it was just a mess, going through a lot of personal problems, but I'm not going to get into that in this video. So, but I was very, very surprised that even with that lack of sleep, and I'll be honest, there were like 2 days that I didn't even like wash my face. I know. Don't kill me. But of course, the next morning I went and used my Clarisonic and cleaned it better. But, usually I wouldn't be feeling as hydrated. I wouldn't be feeling as good about my face as I was feeling last week. So I was really amazed with that. I'm not 100% sure if it's the vitamins, but that's the only thing different that I'm doing. I haven't changed my cleanser, my moisturizer. I haven't changed anything. So This must be doing something. Now, when it comes to, I have issues with hair on my face. I am noticing that the hair on my face is growing a lot faster. So I'm not sure. That's probably that. I'm assuming I do have some hormonal issues, and I think it's genetics. I'm half Persian, so the Middle Eastern. We have a lot of, well, I do, but I know some have a lot of facial hair, and I specifically get it more in like this region. I did get it threaded yesterday, but I've noticed that it's growing a lot faster. So I guess it's kind of a bad thing in a way, but if that's what's going to happen in my head, then I'm all for it. I'll deal with it. I'll just get threaded a little bit more. But yeah, so that I did notice. That part of my body, the hair is growing a little bit faster. So that was weird. Now, regarding the fine lines, I think I still have them. I'm noticing them. I could be just hypersensitive or like very critical of my fine lines. But when I smile, I still see it. I still see it, and it's still there. It's not going away. So, but of course, it's only been a week, so let's keep it rolling. I'll see you next week how it's doing. And then for my nails, though, I do feel like my nails are growing a lot faster. They do look like crap right now. I'll quickly show you guys. It's so embarrassing how nasty they are. Like crazy. But they're still chipping, and they were still cracking and splitting. So yesterday I just got fed up because I have an issue where with my nails, if I don't feel them smooth, I kind of get all like anxious and I start biting my nails. I'm sure the stress of the week didn't help either. But I end up biting my nails. So I had to cut them yesterday, and I should have taken a picture before I cut them. I know. I totally wasn't thinking. I'm going to try not to cut them so that next week I'll take a picture, and then I'll make sure to take another picture at the end of next week so that we can compare and just see, you know, how much is growing. I should have cut them before I started this, and that was my bad. But we'll do it for this week now that I already have the pills in me for 1 week. We'll see what happens between the second week moving towards the third week. And I do have one last comment. It's definitely not hurting my stomach. I was concerned when I first started these because I do have a very sensitive stomach, and then some of those like multivitamins, 1-a-day pills, they actually make me feel nauseous. I know it's completely different, but I was very concerned when I started to take these vitamins, and I don't have any side effects whatsoever other than the like oily nose, I guess, which is kind of weird. But I'm not having any side effects regarding my stomach. But what has happened this week, and I know it happens to me with kind of like these kind of capsules sometimes, I do feel like it gets a little stuck in my throat for like maybe a few minutes and then it goes away. So I am noticing that this week. I wasn't noticing that last week. So hopefully it doesn't get worse. It does feel like a little weird. I don't know. I have an issue, I think, when it comes to these kind of pill casings. It tends to happen to me. So we'll see. I'm still planning to take it. I'm still going to finish my 30-day supply. And I will let you guys know next week how it's doing, and we'll be able to compare. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some before pictures and after pictures so that you can see what's the difference from last week to this week, and I will continue to do that for the other videos.
So fast, all tied up like a captive.
Well, babes, thank you so much for watching and staying for the entire video. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Love you guys lots. Make sure if you're new here to subscribe. Make sure to go click down below, right over there. I believe it's right over there. It's either here or here. I'm like one of these places. But yeah, it's that big red subscribe button, and then if you want to get notified of any new videos I have, please make sure to hit that bell button as well, and I will be seeing you guys soon. All right, love you guys lots. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.